Welcome to this video, where we tackle a common problem in debugging Perl programs. The issue arises when dealing with variable names or hash keys that are UTF-8 strings, causing headaches during the debugging process. The program compiles and runs smoothly, but the debugger struggles with these UTF-8 names, making it challenging to access the variables when needed. Now, let's delve into the solution for this frustrating problem. Have you set the debugger's input layer correctly? The debugger has its own input and output handles named $db in and $db out. By setting the UTF-8 layer for $db in, you can ensure smooth debugging with UTF-8 variable names. This adjustment will enable you to access and manipulate UTF-8 named variables without any hiccups, allowing for a more seamless debugging experience. Continuing with the solution, you can utilize a .perl file to always run code on startup in the debugger. By including a subroutine like the one below in your .perl file, you can ensure that your $db in and $db out handles are switched to UTF-8 every time you debug a Perl program. This simple yet effective step will streamline the debugging process and help you navigate and work with UTF-8 named variables effortlessly. In summary, debugging Perl programs with UTF-8 variable names doesn't have to be a headache. By setting the debugger's input layer correctly and utilizing a .perl file to establish UTF-8 handling, you can overcome the challenges posed by UTF-8 named variables during debugging. Remember to make these adjustments to enhance your debugging experience and make working with Perl programs a breeze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts and feedback. Keep coding and debugging with ease.